but you also have to realize the cost of living in Pakistan is much cheaper than the cost of living in the US.
Right. And so what type, can you share what type of business that your family?
Oh yeah, I can tell you initially. So initially, before my grandfather, this is all land ownership, right?
Okay.
And that's how you derive a good portion of your money. But then in his particular case, he went into commercial real estate. He had basically, this is electronics wholesale and all of that. You got to realize, this is when color TVs were the new thing. You had a color TV and you were like the big dog, right? Not just in Pakistan, by the way, even in the US, because what was funny was when I moved to Canada, I realized when I'm meeting people from so many different backgrounds that, oh shit, I had video games and tech that people living in Canada and the US didn't have the same year.
Yeah.
Right. So I was kind of blessed that way. It wasn't necessarily because of me or anything I did.